Alright, welcome to this module, and today I want to show you how to import a new project based on existing code to your Eclipse workspace. Alright, so before we do that, I need you to go to my course page and download the myprogram.zip file. Okay, so it is a zip file that will contain some simple makefile and example C file and header file, and these are the starting point for our course today. And we'll actually be building a on top of this example program as we learn more about C programming. Okay, so to import, we simply go to File, and then we hover over to New and select Makefile project with existing code. So in here, you want to go to Browse and go to the path that contains your folder for my program. And of course, you download as a zip. You have to extract first, and then you will get a folder. Okay, so we will simply select folder and hit select folder. And as you can see, the project name will be default to be the same as your folder name. So which is alright, but you can actually modify the project name to your liking. So I'm gonna call this Carrie's example program, and you can call this anything you want. And this is just a name that will be appear in the project explorer to the left. All right, so I'll just say Carrie's example program. And in terms of languages, you can leave C and C++ as checked. And for the toolchain, it actually doesn't matter here because we will not be using the compiler. Actually, the toolchain is just a fancier word for the compiler and the build environment. Okay, and Eclipse already comes equipped with several popular compilers. And I'm gonna leave it none because we will be actually using a command line prompt on the Linux environment to actually carry out the compilation and the build. So we will not be using Eclipse to build our program. So I'm gonna leave it as none, and I'm gonna hit finish. And that is it. Your project will now be appearing in the project explorer on the left, and that's how you can import a new project to Eclipse. And when you're done, you can move on to the next module, and I will see you there.